Hi guys, welcome to Hindi Snooker, and today we are going to talk about how we can improve our wrist shot and a few wrist shot practice. So first of all, make sure that you know the line of fame. If you haven't gone through my previous videos, which I have explained the concept of line of fame, you can learn from there. So if you know the line of fame, let's say in this case it is a straight ball and the line of fame is there, all you have to do is to just set up your wrist like line of fame on the line of fame, and then place your cue on that line of fame, and then move your wrist away and then settle down, and then you can start cueing. It's very easy. And make sure that your elbow is steady. It is not lazy, it's not like that, or it's not going anywhere. Keep it steady, because that's why I keep saying in my different videos, especially in technique expert videos and angles expert, and in so many videos, that we need stamina in our hand, like we need exercise. What happens is we are good, we play one or two frames very good, then after third frame, because we are tired, we don't know we are tired, because mentally we are not tired, but actually physically our arm is not does not have enough stamina in its muscle. So what happens is it gets lazy. So you need to make sure that your arm is steady, you have more stamina of playing the shot, then you can play all shots including the rest shot better. Okay, let's come to the rest shot again, and all you have to do is to just run your cue like this. Okay, yeah, that's it. Don't let your elbow go down on the table, keep it steady. There. And finish it straight. Don't let your elbow sit on the table after the shot. Keep it steady even after the shot. That means you are hitting it well. This is very important. What you can do, the best exercise I can give you is that sometimes we do not do actually the practice with the rest, which I suggest that whoever is trying to improve his game, he must spend like 5-10 minutes every single day. Just place your rest wherever you want, and then just run your cue like this and see if you're hitting it well or not. Get used to it and then see how good you are hitting it or not. Okay, so let's play another shot with the blue ball. I will keep it a bit on the angle. Again, all you have to do is to just set up your rest on that line of fame and then move it away. Keep your cue steady. Make sure you have a decent distance of your cue to go back and forth, and then that's it. The cue go through like this. Keep your elbow steady, and once you are through, backswing and finish your cue. That's it. That's all it takes, but it needs quite a stamina, quite steadiness. So that's one of the problems with the players, that they do not understand the importance of stamina. But make sure, I can guarantee you, if you are lacking snookers, if you are lacking a physical stamina, you will be struggling with improving your game. So make sure you're physically fit, good habits, if you are looking at good level of play, or especially the players who wants to compete in the tournament. Even if we were just enjoying the game, if they want to improve their game, they must have more stamina in their whole arm to play either the cueing or the rest or any other shot. So thank you very much, guys. If you got any questions, let me know. If you haven't bought the Technique Expert for American Pool or Snooker, you can order it online through our official website. Or if you are worried about your technique, you can always buy Technique Expert, which can help you with your weight balance, your cueing, your potting, your steadiness, even your muscle stamina, muscle memory, and muscle stamina. So if you want to join an online coaching course with Hindi Snooker, please visit my website, or you can send me a WhatsApp message. The number of the WhatsApp is available on the screen, or even with the post. And if you want to become a snooker coach and want to improve your game and want to help other, you can join online certification course with Hindi Snooker. So thank you very much, guys. Take care. Bye. Well guys, snooker was originated around 150 years ago, and there was always been a problem that people cannot understand the potting angles. AQ Snooker has introduced an innovative helping tool for your ankle recognition, and that is called AQ Snooker's Angles Expert. It helps you 10 times faster than any other thing to understand and recognize the angle shots or cut shots. With the help of AQ Snooker's Angles Expert, you can easily understand and start recognizing the Angles Expert. You will receive a Angles Expert in this beautiful box. Along with my free online master class, there is an introductory price and we are delivering it all over the world. So don't hesitate to contact us. Our WhatsApp number is there. It is also available on our website, that is www.aqsnooker.com. Order now.